To close a Morgan Stanley branch locator, you will first need to access the Morgan Stanley website. Start by opening a web browser and navigating to the Morgan Stanley homepage. Once you are on the website, click on the branch locator tool, which is usually found at the top of the page. Next, enter your location in the search bar to find the branch you want to close. You can enter a city and state or a zip code to narrow down your search. Once you have entered your location, click the search button to find the nearest branches. From the list of search results, find the branch you want to close and click on it to view more details. However, to actually close a branch, you will need to contact Morgan Stanley directly, as the branch locator tool does not have the functionality to close branches. You can do this by calling the customer service number or by visiting the branch in person. When you contact Morgan Stanley, be prepared to provide the name and location of the branch you want to close, as well as the reason for the closure. It is also a good idea to have any relevant account information ready in case you need to provide it. It is worth noting that closing a Morgan Stanley branch is a significant decision and should not be taken lightly. Before making any decisions, it is a good idea to speak with a financial advisor to discuss your options and determine the best course of action. Additionally, if you are an account holder at the branch you want to close, you will need to make arrangements to transfer your accounts to a different branch or financial institution. This can usually be done by contacting Morgan Stanley customer service or by visiting a different branch in person. By following these steps, you should be able to close a Morgan Stanley branch locator, although the actual closure of the branch will require direct communication with Morgan Stanley.